You are enough. No, you know what? Sometimes you aren't enough, okay? What's up, guys? My name is Sam Becker, and thank you so much for being here. If this is the first time that we're meeting, it is truly an honor, and I'm blessed to be able to share some insight with you as well. Please consider liking and subscribing to this video where we talk a lot about fear, anxiety, confidence, lifestyle, mindset, and a lot of business perspectives as well. And today, I want to talk to you about the saying, you are enough, and how I am going to challenge that for you right now. So what I want to do is I want to share some perspective with you around that phrase of you are enough. Okay. And I want to challenge that. And here's why. Let me read this to you. Something I wrote down when I was mind dumping to you. Okay. Sometimes you aren't enough. And I'm not talking about having someone else tell you that you're not enough. This is very different. I'm talking about those inner feelings like you aren't doing enough. I think they're there for a reason. When I was going through my anxiety battles, I always felt like I wasn't enough or I wasn't living enough. And guess what? I was right. I wasn't even trying to live up to my potential either. So when I'm thinking about that, you're enough. Are you? Challenge it. Challenge it. Again, I'm not trying to belittle anybody here, but really think about that. You are enough. The people that tell you that are trying to, make you feel better in the current moment. But to me, yes, that's helpful. Sure, it's a good supportive friend, not bashing on them, but challenge that. Am I enough? Did I do enough? What did I do to cause XYZ to happen, right? Because if we take responsibility for everything in our lives, it helps, not only soften the blow, but we're taking accountability to be able to to take back control. When we take accountability, it allows us to take control. When we give out accountability, it allows us to give up control and wash our hands from even trying to do anything about it, right? We're accepting the fact that this is on me. I can't do anything about it. It is what it is. I'm enough. Sometimes you're not. Again, I'm not talking about to other people. I'm talking about your inner self. And I know this video is probably going to challenge a lot of people and rub people the wrong way, but maybe it's something that you need to hear. Okay. I knew back then when I was going through my anxiety battles that I needed to hear this. I needed to hear this. I needed someone to just drill it into me and say, hey, you're not doing enough. You're letting anxiety walk all over you. And I did. I let it walk all over me. I'm like the nice guy that does everything for everybody and gets trampled on all the time, right? It's exactly what anxiety was doing to me. I was just letting it go ahead and just guide the ship. Well, guess what? I'm the captain now. So how would you feel if you were the captain? How would you feel if you're the captain of your own ship and you were the one navigating and controlling the direction of where you're going? You were taking the control. You are challenging yourself to figure out what is in alignment with you, to figure out where you ultimately want to go in life. Are you doing enough? Are you utilizing the time wisely, right? Are you spending time with your family enough? Are you spending time building your business enough? Are you spending time, developing a mindset for yourself that allows you to take back the control in your life? This is what I do. I talk a lot. I might not be a licensed therapist or anything like that, but I have the experiences that have taught me to turn fear and anxiety into clarity and confidence. And if you're interested in learning how to do that, just let me know. Leave a comment down below and say fear and anxiety, and I will send you a message and we'll talk about that. Okay. I'm super, super excited to be here to share these insights with you because I have something very, very exciting coming very soon. So please stay tuned for that. I'll leave a link in the description for you to check out my Instagram, my Facebook, all the other social media stuff. Please feel free to be connected. I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Again, you are enough, but are you doing enough? Very different. But again, I mean everything with nothing but the most love and respect for you guys in the world. Thank you guys for supporting me as much as you have. I appreciate you guys. And I will talk to you very, 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 very soon. Take care.